when you're setting up a business, you should be thinking about what happens to you if that, when you pass away. Have life insurance to cover for those things if necessary. You can have a key man insurance policy that actually pays the business itself if you lose any of a particular member of the staff or team. For example, at our law firm, Daniel Bomer, who works with me, he and I went to law school together. He's the managing attorney of 2 of the departments of the firm. He is the closest thing. I mean, he's basically a brother to me. I consider him to be a partner, even though technically on paper, I own the entire firm. But I have made sure that Daniel, if something happens to me, Daniel runs the firm. It keeps going. He takes care of all of that stuff. And if something happens to him, we actually have an insurance policy that pays to the firm because it's going to be really expensive for us to replace him. And also, we're not going to be in any kind of condition. We're going to have to bring in other people that we're going to have to pay and solve these things. And it's going to be a difficult process. So we've got insurance to have funding for that because we got to make sure that if something happens to me, something happens to Daniel, something happens to any of our key members of our staff, that our firm and our business will continue without any noticeable interruption. I mean, maybe the funeral, we're not going to work that day and things like that. But otherwise, all of our clients, all of our cases, all of the things that we're doing and protecting, the firm is going to outlive us. That's the type of thing that you want to build into your business so that it can survive you. Your legacy continues. Your family keeps getting the benefit of those things. All that requires planning in advance